To transfer data from the old Pixel phone, or for example with any other Android phone, to the Google Pixel 9 Pro, first of all, on your Pixel, you will have to go into the settings, I mean on the Pixel 9 Pro, of course. Then you will have to scroll down and select backup or copy data. Then select to copy data, and now you have to click to start. So now we have to choose your device. So in this case, we have Pixel or Android device, we have to click right here. And now we've got this QR code. So on our old device, we have to tap Start to open the scanner or use the camera application. So we can simply open a QR code reader, which is located here, and then scan the QR code. There we go. Now click to open. Now we have to use our screen lock on this old phone. And as you can see now, we got this continue setup on our new device. So just focus on this phone right now, wait for the checking information. It will actually take around a few moments and we'll be able to actually select wherever we want, and we'll be able to transfer data. As you can see right now, we have to click next in the right bottom corner. So we have to also wait a few moments. So now we've got another screen getting ready to copy, and also this may take a few minutes. So as you can see, we have to just be patient and wait for another setup screen. There we go. Now we can choose what we want to copy from the old phone into our new Pixel 9 Pro. We can select apps, photos and videos, music and other audio, messages, device settings like passwords, call history, some other synchronization like calendar, contacts, photos, Gmail. A lot of options. If you don't want to transfer something, let's say that I don't want to transfer apps, I don't want to transfer photos, I only want to transfer my music and other audio. So we can for sure manage this. Then click copy in the right bottom corner, and as you can see now, this device is actually, I mean the old Google Pixel, it's sending data to my new Pixel 9 Pro. So now we just have to wait for the process to finish. And as you can see right now, we've got information that copy data is finished. So now we can click done. Now we have to wait another few moments. And now everything is set. So we can click down on the both devices, click close on the older device, and now we can just try to locate everything that we sent. So probably we have to go for some audio. Yeah, and here we can find it. There we go. So as you can see, that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.